Oh guys, pang kami mamat agpa-share ka ni bakit ko. Dati kami airport. Nanti na. Pa-share ko mamma ka reklamo. Nga majakan ni ipas-pasya. Ay, sorry, siya gayam ti pa-share na guys. Guys, dati kami uray kami. Delay manin. Aeroplano min. Tanalipatan na ka na di wallet na babe. Nalipatan na di piloto di wallet na. Di pilot. Doldo. Guys, dati kami awakon, mangmang kami, mabisina ko no, kinana, tatay pala, dito ko, tiyang ko, saan ito makauutot na, aeroplano man na. Time check guys, we're still in Oahu. Wait.
The jetway just outside the aircraft. Please hold on.
Guys, naglawi is dito okol kikinap. Ay, nabagsit lagayam sangaw ko. Hey, anya matan shuttle adaman ti may sak nga reklamo kada kayo. Amo yung hard nga nalamiis ti panawon nyo dito yan. Semento pala ti pagtugawan nyo. Okay na nakalamlamiis. Kita nyo ka urela dito butilog ko kumigkutan We are in bakery whatever. See you guys. Bakery Noviembre. Okay na lang kasi nung may iba dito. Guys, majak mo tayo may baga. Like, majak mo tayo order. Nagririga mo, nagrinaga na lagi tayo may order.
Perfect. And then her cake. Did you see like her list of things that she wanted? Yes, that's amazing.
Oh, kinina na naglamigis! Yeah, guys, we landed here in Washington earlier this morning, and then we have to travel again to Leavenworth or Pipesworth. That's like another 3 hours of traveling in the land now, though, not in the flying in the mountain. Okay, guys, we finally made it to our hotel. I am tired. But yeah, guys, stay tuned for the next video because I'm tired. Bye.